Quand la musique t'appelle, laisse-toi te bercer par sa quête d'essence. Écoute-la aveuglément, ton âme t'en sera reconnaissante. Laisse-moi dormir sous les traces de nos anciens nous marchons. Sous des cendres tortueuses et accidentées, nous avançons. L'amour que la reconquête de nos valeurs enfouit en nous. Retour vers le passé. Nous voulons que nos liens soient. Car celui qui marche sans avoir son histoire dans la tête, mais comme un faible oiseau surpris par une forte tempête, il n'avance pas et il regrette un grand pas jusqu'à ce que définitivement s'arrête ses pas. Autant que sans ses racines, un arbre n'est rien. Avec la méconnaissance de nous-mêmes, nous ne sommes rien. Congo, donne-nous la force de tes eaux puissantes, la sagesse de tes femmes vivantes, la grandeur de tes majestueuses forêts, le caractère admiratif de tes épopées. Congo, ressource-toi près des forces. Prends la main que tu tournes le pied quand tu touches le fond. Tu es un massa, tu es un kéké, tu es un zoulou, tu es un peur, tu es un malinqué, tu es un bantou, tu es un bantou.
Hello, welcome, Tata David.
Kembote.
Kembote, how are you?
Better.
I miss you. Okay.
Ngizambote.
Ngizambote, yes. In Kikongo, we say we bless people by saying Wakola Yesiama. Let me write it on a Wakola Yesiama, meaning that I mean, always hard to translate. Be healthy and strong. Yes. Kolele mean how are you? Kolele mean healthy, good, well. Kola is yama. Tutondele. Is there? Wakola is Yama.
Wakola Yesiama.
Kolele. Kola mean to be healthy, yeah. Siama mean firm. I mean, in this context, we mean be healthy and strong. Hello, if you are watching, thank you very much. We are going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, former Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele, Gizambote, welcome. Let me just try to let me share my file. We're going back to the basics. We're going to that is after the second lesson, weekday. Let me try to go back. Remember this name what you are? No?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, Mosi. Yeah, remember Mosi is one. Yes.
Yes.
Our first day is not Sunday. It is Monday.
Monday.
Kia Mosi. Mosi one. You just add. You start with the prefix Kia. Kia Mosi. Of one, or it is one. I'm not really sure how to translate it. Okay. Kiazole of two, or today, to second day. Kiatatu. Remember your numbers. Eh?
Yes.
No.
I still remember them.
Well done. Kiaya. First day. Just remember the week starts from Monday. First day is Monday. Kiatatu. Sorry, Kiatano. Fifth day, yeah, is the yes. Kia Sabala. Sabala from Portuguese Sabado. Saturday. Kia Domingo from Portuguese Domingo. Kia Domingo, get this very important. Kia Domingo, it is Sunday. When Congo people in Congo say Domingo, they mean week. Yeah. Just remove the prefix. You have your week, the word week. Yeah. Kia Domingo of it's Sunday. Yeah. Domingo. If I say Domingo Quiza, anyone brave enough to translate? Domingo Quiza.
Does it mean next week?
Well done. Well done. Well done. Quiza. Remember Quiza?
Yeah, to come.
Yes.
To come.
Say coming week. Yes. Next week. Yes. Eunu today. Eunukia. Then you put it there. Can you just use the same sentence? Starting beginning with Eunu.
Eunu.
Kia.
Kia. Or Kiatanu. Oh, you mean today?
I mean literally today. Where are we?
Eunu.
Kia.
Eunu Kia Lumingo.
Well done, Eunu Kia Lumingo. Yes. Okay. The reason I'm going back to this slides, this second lesson, because this is very important. Week. We wouldn't call it week because it was not. Remember what I said yesterday? We wouldn't call it week because, let's say week for the sake of the week to help us to understand. But these are 4 days. Kikongo people, a week, 4 days. Of course, when you say week in English, it means 7 days. Am I right? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
In this case, we just use a week. Okay. Even I should say in Kikongo anyway. Let's call it. Okay, it won't work because if I say Kilumingo, I mean week anyway. So, okay, let us just think in Kikongo. Kia Kiantona, Kiapangala, Kiakonzo, Tetale, Kiakenge,
Kiakenge,
Kiantona,
Kiantona,
Kiapangala.
Kiampangala.
Listen carefully. Kiapangala, pitch. Kiapangala.
Kiapangala.
Well done. Kiakonzo.
Kiakonzo.
Kiakenge, Kiantona, Kiapangala, Kiakonzo. Nangwetadiwa. Kiakenge. Long vowel there. Kiakenge.
Kiakenge. Kiantona.
Tona.
Kiantona.
Kiapangala.
Kiampangala.
Kiapangala.
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 Kiakonzo.
Kiakonzo.
Well done. Tata David, please.
Kiakenge, Kiansona, Kiamfangala, Kiankonzo.
Well done. Well done. Okay. These are market day. But we're not talking the 21st century. We're talking, I would say millennia, yeah? Kiakenge, Cantona. I mean, not necessarily every area had the same names, but they have the cycle, the four market days. Yes, Kiakenge, Cantona. They would, I'm sure they would have different names according to area, but these were the standard, the rota. So Kiakenge, let's say I'm from Kwilufuta. My district is Kwilufuta. In my village, if I'm in my village, it would take more than 25 kilometers on foot to reach, let's say, Kiakenge, a village where the market is held on the first day. Yes. So, Kiakenge, at least 25 kilometers, they go for the market. Then as soon as they finish the market, of course, they go back home. Some people will travel for long distance, then they would spend nights. I mean, along the road, they would spend a night in another village before they reach their destination. So, Cantona, second day, different village. Different village, not necessarily village, maybe different location in the bush. No, I don't want to say that. Village. I'm sure it was in the villages, yeah. Third day, Kiampangala. Fourth day, Kiakonzo. When you reach fourth day, what happened next? I think you got this last time. Kiakonzo.
Oh, that's the
last one, last day.
Yeah, so that's the last day of the market.
Yes, then the cycle
continues back to Kiankenge.
Kiankenge, well done, Kiankenge. So basically, let me just try to move to the next slide. Please help us to read.
There are 2 weeks there are 2 week systems among the Congo. The European 7-day week, introduced by Portuguese, begins on Monday. Ilumbu. Kiamosi, day of the first equal first day. The indigenous Congo system is 4-day market week. The market is held in different places of each of the 4 days, returning to the first place when the cycle recommences on the 5th day. Names for the market days vary over the Congo area. Strictly all the day names in the drill means it is first day, etc. But no verb is required in Congo. Any word functioning as predicate always begins a phrase and has all high tones realized. Example, no deletion or suppression.
Tutondele. Kya Kenge, kya Tona, kya Pangala, kya Konzo. Basically, these were market, but in practice were stock market. These are stock market. Let me not try to read my notes. Elders couldn't walk a long distance. Young people would help them to carry agricultural. Let me try to read it again. Agricultural, yes, products to the market. In return, elders will share the benefits with young people who carried the items to the market on the return to the village. Is that clear? Yeah.
Yes.
These were, it was a stock market. It was a barter system, BARTER, yes? Remember, those days they didn't have currency. You know that barter system. Because people did not use currency. Notes, oyster shell called Nzimbu. Remember Nzimbu?
Yeah.
Oyster shell called Nzimbu in Kikongo was the currency used among aristocrats in Congo Kingdom. Nzimbu came from Luanda Peninsula. Ila de Luanda, yeah? I think you've been in Angola. Nzimbu came from Luanda Peninsula, Ila de Luanda, which was the financial capital of Congo Kingdom. Yes. So you say Nzimbu, it's fine, say Mbongo.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So
Mbongo is
you're saying so the average person didn't use that as currency, right? They just traded.
No, they didn't use this kind. This is my guess. I'm just guessing because this was Njimbu was not common. Njimbu was a rare commodity. Yes.
Okay.
I mean, you wouldn't. I mean, we wouldn't. It's not the parallel with no modern currency. We wouldn't say that. We wouldn't say that it was the currency as we use nowadays in modern term. It was the currency at that time very rare because oyster shell is not everywhere, you know. Anyway, Congo Kingdom, if we see Congo Kingdom, we have the coast, we have Luanda Peninsula going up, Nzeto, we have Soyo, Mbanza. Yeah, Mbanza was not on the coast anyway. We have Nzeto, we have Soyo, and then Kabinda. So
Right.
most part of the Congo Kingdom, they were not, I mean, onshore, see. So this commodity was rare. I mean, this I'm guessing just for the people top level. So what happened on the market day? People would carry. I mean, the young people because the elders. Imagine going on foot. I mean, 25 kilometers on foot, long distance. So you give your products, agriculture products, to your nephew, niece. Jonah speaking, boys. Your nephew or your friend's son, they take this product to Kikongo. So when they come back, you share, they give you the benefit. I mean, if they were happy, they were blessed, they did they did well on that day. When they come back, you share your benefits. Am I clear at that time?
Yep.
Yes, that was a stock market. Okay, let me just move to where were we? Yes, agricultural products. Give you just some example because I witnessed this in 1975. I was very young when we came back from Congo, Kinshasa. Macondo. What is Macondo? What is Macondo? Agricultural products. Macondo. Tatane. Macondo is banana.
Oh.
Yeah. When we say macondo, we mean either plantain or banana, sweet banana. Yes? Come on, banana. Dr. David, any questions?
No.
We have.
Do people use these pretty? At least elders in the village still use the ancient week system.
Oh no, this one is gone. We just. I mean, we're like we have one left. One. It's called. Okay, that good. This is a test to you that market is called Kiantano. When is this market held?
Kiantano. Is that the one you're talking about in Ouige?
Yeah, that market is. It's held on
the third day.
Kiantano. Kiantano. Under your nose, you can see.
Oh, on Friday.
Yeah, yes. Oh, Kiantano could say Quintano. Very popular market, very well known. It is in the border between Congo, districts from Angola. This is another district, the other side, the DRC. So we have Macondo, banana, Nguba, Tata and Nguba.
Peanuts.
I'm sure you know Nguba. What is Nguba?
Peanut.
Yeah. Oh, do you know that name? What I do?
Yes.
Yeah, Joko. What is Joko?
Is that cassava roots?
Well done. Joko, yeah. Joko, yes. Portuguese corrupt words the same as Joka, but Joko, yes.
Yeah.
Then they carry the living animals like antelopes. We have within the family of antelope. We have one of popular called it ta. Let's say the antelope ta in Kikongo. One of Kima, monkey, yes. Monkey. What is combo? Tetane combo.
Oh gosh.
Sorry. Combo. Goat.
Yeah, okay.
Nkombo. Yes. Okay. Any questions? I think we're going to stop there for today. I don't want you to. I just want you to digest it. We did have. What was the name of the currency? The name of Tedua in Congo Kingdom. Currency.
Zimbu.
Well done, Zimbu, yeah. That's why money in Kikongo either say Mbongo or Nzimbu, but the correct word should be Nzimbu. Mbongo is not wrong because Mbongo, I did explain last time. What is Mbongo? Where the words come from originally, remember?
Well, Mbongo is just money?
Yes, but I did explain last Sunday. Remember? Nzimbu, proper Mbongo, proper money, from the currency, we would say. Mbongo originated from farming. Remember,
Yeah, farming, because it was like the produce.
Yes, Mbongo. I think if you read the Kikongo Bible, other Kikongo books, you would see Mbongo. They don't mean money. That's a very, very important to understand it. When they say Mbongo, they mean the product of your labor. That's what that is.
Yep.
Yes. Your input, then you have the output. This is your Mbongo. I'm sure you remember that. Yeah, Mbongo.
Yeah, no. It's coming back. I'm just trying to make notes here.
You sow and you reap. This is your Mbongo. Harvest your time. This is your Mbongo. Remember, you did plant. During the harvest, you go to pick up to take your Mbongo. This is your Mbongo. Of course, money is your Mbongo as well, because you go to work from Monday. For the first day of the month to the end, they give you Mbongo because it is your product of your labor, isn't it? Am I right? Yeah, Mbongo. That's then I think you have a question.
No question.
Yeah, good. Bongo, it's fine, but Nzimbu, even better because Nzimbu comes from original currency of Congo Kingdom currency. Nzimbu. Yes. I think we have I can't remember exactly. They have 10th. They used to call it Makuta, Likuta. Even I think Congo DRC president did adopt that
Yeah,
currency. Remember?
yeah.
I don't remember now. Makuta was one. No, I don't make a mistake, but it was part of that same system. Congo Kingdom. Tutondele. Tuto. No one can see that is a Congo map. Can you just lift a bit your
Oh,
want to see? Yeah, DRC. Yes.
yeah, the
Well
DRC.
done.
Yeah,
Tutondele.
with the K.
Ah, this is a contradiction.
It's hard to find. Everywhere they spell it with a C, but these good people spell it
No,
the
no,
right
no,
way
no,
with
no, no.
the
I don't know why they spell it for K. Why?
K. Right.
Because when we say we write the K, we mean Congo Kingdom. Angola, one part of Angola, north. Then we have Congo, DRC. We have Congo Republic. Then we have South Gabon. Because Congo, this is a kingdom K. When you write C, you mean colonization.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. Thinking that
Yep.
C, forget it. Okay, let's just someone saying hello. Mm. Kambote, Tata State Full.
Cambote.
Tata Agustino Kambote, Tito Ndeli. Okay, that's good. Tata, are you brave? Can you try to read?
Cambote kieno batata yeba mama.
Well done.
Kalumingu iwowu basoni kinanga.
Bastoni Kinanga.
Basoni kinanga kakia
Kakiako.
kakiako.
Mm.
Matondo.
Basically, he's saying that this is not how they write. This is not how you spell the Kialumingo. I keep telling people I don't know if they understand the English, so let me just say in Kikongo anyway. Tata Dan Daniel Kialumingo. To Sonegane Kialumingo. Where is it? Let me see. With K-I. What was this spelled? I think K. Let me just say it. Okay. Okay. You speak French. Tata, c'est l'autographe phonétique. On écrit comme ça pour simplifier, pour aider les gens à prononcer mieux le Kikongo, faciliter la prononciation. Basically, I'm trying to say that the way Kikongo is written on this course, it is not how you write it. Remember,
Yeah.
Tata Daniel, that
Yeah.
when you write Sala, double A, we mean long vowel. This is a phonetic, what do you call it? Phonetic spellings to help you to pronounce correctly, but this is not how you write it. Because to the native, it doesn't matter. I mean, they don't know that it's a long vowel even, because it's your language. But someone else who is not native, the way they listen to the way it sound is long vowel. See? But you write it correctly, you write just one A. Sala, work, Sala, stay.
Yeah, I think it's important to emphasize that for people that are viewing who so that they're
Yes.
not. Yeah.
Yes, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it is a phonetic spelling. Ok, Dioko. Merci beaucoup, Tata Daniel. Cassava, Dioko. I was asking someone plural. Alors le pluriel c'est comment Dioko? Le pluriel c'est comment Tata Daniel? Someone asking. Can you Tata Daniel? Can you help me?
Can you do a show on the proper names in the Bible in Kikongo and are the family names you showed in birth order?
This is huge. Okay, we can't do that. I would say that for us, the Congo, remember the teaching on Luvila.
Yes, yes, yes.
What do you remember? What names? What is the name to Kikongo? What is your identity for Kikongo people? Congo people.
Your genetics.
Well done. Yeah, your name is your Kanda Kise.
Kinda, yes. Kise.
Yeah, I mean, strictly speaking, this is your identity. If you say there's a person that I found out is my cousin, just by saying he's Luvila, because I know my my grandfather is Luvila, I know this person is related to my grandfather. See, this identity. Hezo Kambo Semi tu Nangini tu Tondele. Remember Semi? Some people can greet you by saying Semi. Semi mean it comes from Siama. See, Wakola is Siama Kola, healthy. Siama femme. I mean, almost the same thing, same meaning. All right? Kambote tu Tondele. Okay, for today we're done. Let's call it a day.
Yeah. Wakola Yesiama.
Tito ngayempe wakola esiama. Tata, you translate my words. Ngayempe wakola esiama. Ngaye, you. Mpe, as well.
Okay, you as well. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. It's making sense if I sit.
Monompe. Me too. Me as well.
Me too.
Yeah. And yes? Questions? No. Okay.
No question. No question.
Tutondele. Lenda Kambote.
Musa la Kiambo.
Musa la Kiambote.
Tamo aqui. Aquele estresse do Maia. Manda ver.